Hi, welcome to NetSet OS. Before starting video, I want to tell you that I have already made 4 videos Stripe checkout with Django. You can check out these 4 videos. These videos are in series. So now we will start with 5th video on Stripe payment gateway with Django. So for this, I'll go to Python. Now this video will be jewel of our course because here we are going to create subscription and charge our customer. So we'll be doing a lot here. Now let's understand this with an example. If I go to Amazon.in, .in stands for India, and here I want to buy this book Pachatantra for my Kindle edition. So for this I need to click on buy now, and we will be redirected to payment methods, UPI, net banking. So this kind of thing we have created in our site also. For payment section, we can go for 3 types of ice cream, and when I click on pay, first it will ask me my login information, my username, where I'll be giving my name as Nancy and the password, and I will click on login. Here it is giving me error, please enter correct username. If I am not giving correct username or password, it will show me login error, which will redirect me to my payment section. Then I can go for pay with card. Here for $20 it's showing 0.2 error. So for views.py, I'll write here amount is equal to amount into 100. Order an ice cream. I'm taking vanilla as my topping 1, choco chip as my topping 2. Cup size, price section. Here I'll be going for cup section. Here I want Diwali coupon to be redeemed. Here it's saying 4.25, and here now it's showing $4.25. So as we have seen, Stripe makes it more simple. So let's go ahead and move into our post part of this function, which is in views.py. Here I'll put enter, and we'll start writing with Stripe underscore customer is equal to Stripe dot customer dot create with bracket email equal to request dot user dot email, then a source. Let's put in different line. Source should be equal to request dot post. I'll be giving Stripe token. So here I need to say where it is and also that the customer is coming from, and we can actually confirm this via the Stripe form. Then here we got Passback via Stripe token. So we are going to say source is equal to request.post, and this is going to create a customer for us in Stripe. It will save it to their API. So with this in place, we have to specify what pricing size we are taking. So we want to charge the user with. So let's go ahead and start first and grab what the size would be, whether it is large size, medium size or cup size. So let's go to our Stripe API, stripe.com products, where it will show $5 for cup size, $10 for regular size and $20 for large size. Now I'll click for cup size, and here we have an ID. So I will copy this, and here I'll write in price for size cup, I'll copy that ID. Now just in case, for our medium size and large size, we will start here with writing if request dot post for price size is medium, then our price ID will be, we will go again to stripe products. Now for medium size, we will copy this ID, and here we will paste over here. It will be double equal. Now we will copy the same and will define for large size ice cream. I'll mention over here large, and the ID will be different for large ice cream. So I'll copy from here. Make sure you copyright from here and will paste over here. Now our next step is we have to decide whether they have a coupon or not. Now to do this, we will just simply say kind of like above. So here I'll copy this and we'll put enter here and we'll paste over here. If request.post price, instead of price, I'll write coupon in coupons, and here I'll define percentage should be equal to coupons request dot post for coupons lower, and in else part it will have subscription which will be equal to stripe dot subscription dot create customer should be equal to stripe underscore customer dot ID. We need to define for items. Items should be equal to price. We will pass here price also. Now till here we have created the items what he want to buy. So we are going to say items should be equal to first a list, and inside of the list we have created a dictionary where we will provide the name price and then we'll give its value. So this is to say whether we want to buy which size of our ice cream subscription over here. So it's very amazing because this is all it takes to create a subscription in Stripe. Now here if we want to apply a coupon, we need to create percentage, and with this we are going to create a coupon. So here I'll write coupon is equal to stripe dot coupon dot create, duration will be once. So here our duration will be once. With this we will have ID is equal to request dot post, which will have coupon dot lower, and here we will have percent underscore off will be equal to percentage. This will be inside our try. In accept, which will have pass, we will copy this subscription and will write over here. We want to have an accept to say okay, if that is the case, go ahead and pass through. We won't worry about creating another coupon. Now after we have done this, we are going to create the exact same subscription as I have done in else part. Here we are going to add one special item at the end, which is coupon. So I'll write coupon should be equal to request dot post, where we will have coupon dot lower. So here we have specified coupon is equal to request dot post, because we have specified that as the ID. So with this in place, let's go ahead and save this. This is all the code that we need to process that payment. Now we need to view Stripe data. So for this, let's test and see what this looks like exactly. And here I'll order an ice cream. This time strawberry as my topping 1, red berries as topping 2, and here regular size. Now I want to know the price of this. Here I change my mind and I'll go for large ice cream. So right now it is charging $20. I'll put Diwali code and redeem it, so that I have to pay $17. Now when I click on pay with card, here I need to give my details. So when I click on pay button, it will show me green check button, so that my payment is successful. Now let's cross check over here. I click on customers. It will show the customer details, whosoever has entered here. Now when I go to billing, here there are various graphs. So when I go to products, there are 3 sizes, and it also shows me coupons, where I have applied Diwali coupon where it has 15% off. We actually need to delete this, so I'll delete. Now we will go ahead. Once we delete the customer, once we deleted the customer information, it is going to delete the subscription that we are connected with. Now with this all in place, we need to create a customer, and we'll go to our code. As the problem we were facing with this project was, if someone has paid for something but don't have access to their plans. So in order to change this, we will go to models.py, and here I'll create a new class customer, where I'll have models.capital model. Here I'll define user is equal to models, which is 1-to-1 field, and here we will pass the parameter user. On delete, we'll have models dot cascade, as it is showing red mark on user, so we will write from django dot contrib dot auth dot models import user. Now we need to write stripe id is equal to models dot char field, where max length will be equal to 255, which is the maximum one. Then we need to write stripe underscore subscription underscore id, which will be equal to models dot char field, which will have max length 255, and then we will define cancel underscore at underscore period underscore end, which will be equal to models dot boolean field, which will be default false. Then we need to define membership, which will be equal to models, which will have default as false. So as to have access to pricing section, we have to create a subscription. They also have a customer object associated with them. So if we are going to be working with the customer, let's go to views.py, and here at the top of the file where we imported ice cream from .models, we will write comma here and will import customer with capital C. With this in place, let's come back to down here in the function checkout. Now at the end of this function where we have written redirect to home, press enter over here, and now we will be writing some code to create a new customer. So we are going to say all lowercase customer is equal to customer. We will make a new instance of that object. Then we are going to say customer dot user is equal to request dot user. Then for our customer, we need to specify customer dot stripe ID, which is equal to stripe underscore customer dot ID. So here stripe customer was created up at the top of it. Next we need to specify if the membership was true or not. So we are going to say customer dot membership, and this is going to be crucial for getting the right price showing us. So we are going to say it true, as they just paid for this. So we want to say to show up, and then we are going to have customer dot cancel at underscore period underscore end, which will be equal to false. So it will come into play when we will allow user to cancel their subscription. And finally we are going to say cancel their subscription. We will write customer dot stripe underscore subscription underscore ID, which will be equal to subscription. Here it should be dot. Now subscription dot ID. So with this all in place, let's save here customer dot save. Now what will happen? It's going to save this new customer object in the database where we set the user to be equal to there. Now with this all in place, we need to go and confirm that our customer, but before this we need to go to admin page, and here we need to first import customer, and here we need to write admin dot site dot register for customer. It's showing error. So here I'll write from dot models import customer. So it will import the customer from models, as we have already defined class customer in this models. Now we will go to terminal and stop the server. First we will create super user. So I'll write python manage.py create super user and press enter to it. It's asking for username. I'll give netset os. No need to give email address. Here password I'll give. Then password again we need to confirm. And super user is created successfully. Now we will rerun our server. Python manage.py run server. Now let's fire back to our website so that we can test this. Now we will order an ice cream. Here we will give the topping 1, topping 2, regular size ice cream, but here I want to know the price. So we are already logged in as Nancy. So we will go ahead and say that we want large size ice cream and I want to redeem by writing the coupon Diwali and have a discount of this much so that I'll get $17 as my payment. So I'll pay $17. So when I'll pay with card, I need to give my details. When I press pay, it will be done. Now we will check it out by going to write admin. Here in admin I need to give netset os my password. So here I am logged in and you can see there is a customers icon highlighted over here. So we have created our customer object successfully. So here we can determine which customers will be having membership and which one don't inside these customers icon. So this is how we can make a website where I'll order an ice cream. The topping 1, topping 2 information, its size. When I go to payment section, I can have 3 options as we are having the Dream Cones ice creams which deliver ice creams with 3 sizes, and here you can pay. You will have card information over here which will be redirected to stripe.com. So we have added payment section using Stripe with the help of Django. So please like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.